time na alauna na. Yun. So, these are the things that are expected from us and we are expected to be. Serving is a free choice. Tayo a free choice. It's your choice kung ma-member ka digdi or dai. Pero, that free choice is depending on us. Kung gusto mo, you are welcome. Kung habo mo, mayong piriritan kita, it's your choice. Next, CSB acts as model in piety and decorum. So, being chaplaincy student volunteers, you are my model. So, try ng rampa, joke. So, yun. You are a model of piety and decorum. As volunteers, dapat itong mga ginigibo ta, iniisip ta na, ay, CSB pa lang ako makakaraot ni sa image kang group. So, that's what it means for me. So, mahapot tayo for now. Mayo, very good children. Next, CSB attends activities and masses. So, may different activities kita throughout the year. Siguro, dahil man kami i-require na dapat 100% ka sa gabos na misa yaon ka sa gabos na activities. But at least be an active member, participate. We will really appreciate it. And masses, kung pwede, especially the first Friday masses and benedictions, we are expected to be there. Tapos kung mapapwede man lang, at least, siguro, mga 3 times a week. So, we attend masses. And balances studies and involvements. This does not mean that kailangan mong i-priority sa ay, na-study na lang ko, dahil nalagad ko ma-serve. We need to balance it na pagkaipahan kang studies mo, yan sa imo. Yan sa imo ang call. Kung halimbawa, pwedeng magpahingalo mo na mag-serve mga 2 weeks lang sa, ma-exam kaya ako sa Arab kani. Magpaaram lang. Itong, sana dahil maapektuhan ang pag-class akang pag-volunteer ta. So yun. Next, respects and protects welfare of each other. So, do you love each member of CSB? That's the question. Do you love every one of us here? No. Once more! So, yan. So, we protect and respect, especially the rights of each member. So, yan. Next, communicates concerns. So, nabawa, ate, sinapak ako nga ito mo, joke. Masyadong harsh. Yan. Communicates concern. Pag may naisipan ka na ate, garo daw na gayon ang aragan, sana i-communicate ninyo ba kung sa luwas ka maaaraman. You're expected to say it inside the group, not outside. So kung makaka-receive kita ng comments, it's better na kita mismo makaka-receive kung ma-receive ka from third parties or third persons. So, for me, this is important. I really value this. Next is, we are equal. Officer or not, we are equal. So, do you feel the equality na? Kung hindi, magreklamo din kayo. So, it's our fault. Hapot. Next, suspension and prevention. Masyado ating terror, may suspension. So, dahil man siya, there are 2 cases. If there is words and actions that offends, hurts, or nagigibo ko ng actions or words na dahil expected from us. Siguro gets naman hindi yan. Itong nakakakulog na mga okay. Sample, joke. Dahil nata. Baka na tamaan. Next, F marks and AFs. So, suspension and prevention kasi the chaplaincy is concerned with you. Itong, dahil man pwede na puro na lang kita serve. Itong 24/7 kita sa office. Pero, it's dahil kita pwedeng araw pa yan. We do, nagklase kita para makatapos, para mag-aral. So, in F marks and AFs, pwedeng kailayon kita kang moderator or ni father na, how about your studies? Parang, diba? Parang kumusta? Itong kumustahan lang siya. Itong, sana, I'm sure, tatabangan ninda kita na mabalance ang mga bagay-bagay na we serve but we also study. So, dahil man ibig sabihin dapat gabos kita PL. Sorry, I can't reach. So, yan. At least, we do our best. We do magic. Next, the principle of community zone. This is in line with the relationships in the office. office. So, we do not encourage relations in the office, but if that's in it, we allow it. Ito ang nabasa ko. So, naman natin, with the emergence of community zone, there was a handbook na pinagbabawal ang public display of affection, PDA, Philippine Dental Association. So yan, ang community zone sa University Church within the vicinity of that and within the vicinity of the office. And pag may mga activities kita like outreach like this, kasi kung pwede, itong, halimbawa, termino lang itong couple na ito magkaulay, pero masyadong daita siya ma-reach, pero mahidap siyang makablend sa group. Pero yung may ilang, diba? Nabigas yung dampo. Ayun. Tapos, kung may relationships pa lang, we're expected to tell them, itong tell them na lang, dahil may itago. Yan. Tapos, dahil maninda kayo po, the chaplaincy does not, dahil man siya nangyayarang sa personal na buhay, but wala lang, for safety purposes and all. So, that's all. Okay lang ka, no? Any violent reaction? May gusto ka sa dami ko. Next, si Ate Mira. Am I right? Hi, Ate Mira. Yep.
Ate Mira so.
Wait lang, kilala niyo ako. I am Ate Sos for Sam. I'm the youngest of all the Ate Sos. Nag-react sa'yo dahil sa dahil na joke lang. Okay, thank you Ate Sos for that wonderful report. Joke. Okay. Okay, ako po si Ate Mira. Your secretary. Okay. So, membership plan ating i-discuss for today. Ang una, mali doon sulat, so sorry. Okay. First, yung applicant. I-describe ko kung sino yung mga applicant. Yung mga applicant not enrolled in his or her final year. Ibig sabihin yung mga 5th year or 4th year na applicant, supposed na maging applicant, hindi na sila pwede. Kasi syempre, gagraduate na. Then next, dapat hindi kayo member ng 3 organizations on and off the campus. Syempre, mahirap naman yun. Pero exemptions, may mga exemptions dun sa mga magagaling sa klase or with academic, good performance. So, next, freely expresses and signifies interest in joining the group. So, kayo siguro, kaya kayo nandito kasi you like, or syempre, with parang, may yung parang may force na gusto nyo talaga. Then, you'll fill out your CSV forms. Tapos nyo na yung gawin kasi nandito na nga kayo as applicants. Later, magiging probationary member after attending this orientation seminar